A for
apple.
B for
Ball.
C for
Cat.
D for
Dog.
E for
Elephant.
F for
Fish.
G for
Grapes.
H for
Hand.
I for
Ice cream.
J for
Jug.
K for
Kangaroo.
L for
Lion.
M for
Mango.
N for
Nest.
O for
Orange. O for
P for
peacock.
Q for
Queen.
R for
Rose.
S for
Sheep.
T for
Tiger.
U for
Umbrella.
V for
Van.
W for
Watch.
X for
X-Factory.
Y for
Yak.
Z for
Zebra.
बहुत अच्छा सुनाया बच्चों, मजे आ गए क्लास में।